Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very powerful strategy I've been using for a while now and has been making me a lot of profit in the market. This strategy is actually very simple but very powerful. So this is how the strategy works. This strategy comes with two moving average and also a strategy you need to identify in the market before you enter a trade. The settings of the first moving average is just like this. The length is actually 5, the source is actually close, the offset is 0, the method is SMA, and the length is 5. So you come over to the style right here, you're going to choose EMA, and you're going to come over right to this particular color. You're going to choose a blue color. You can choose any of the thickness of the moving average, but I prefer you choose this so that your chart won't look messy. The setting of the second moving average is just like this. You're going to come over to the input right here. The length is going to be 12, the source is going to be close, the offset is going to be 0, the method is going to be SMA again, and the length is going to be 5. You're going to tick this and ensure the time frame is on chart. So when you're done, you come over right here, you're going to tick on the EMA right here. You're going to come over to the color, you're going to choose red, and still going to choose the same stroke of the moving average. So you ensure you tick the precisions of this chart. So when you're done, you're going to click on OK. So this is how the strategy works in the market. So anytime you see a double top or a double bottom in the market, you ensure the moving average crosses over. Immediately it crosses over, then you can actually enter the trade. It actually gives you a good sniper entry. For those that doesn't know what is double top or double bottom, this is how you can identify a double top in the market. Anytime the market comes down just like this, and the market actually comes down to this particular level, market comes back again to retest this particular level, it will come to retest this particular level, or just like this, or just like this. I hope you're getting it right. I'm going to show you that more on the charts, but it could be just like this, it could be exactly at this particular level, it could be above this particular level. It's still a double top. So let's say it is just at this particular level and also at this particular level. So when the market is coming back and it's actually moving average crosses over right here, that is when you're going to enter a trade. Now in the case of double bottom, market is definitely going to come just like this, and also it's definitely also going to come at this particular level. So when the market is coming back to retest either this particular level or below the particular level, or even not up to this particular level, is what we'll call a bubble bottoms. In this particular tutorial, let's actually place it just right here. And when the market is actually reversing back, that is when you're going to enter a trade, especially when the moving average crosses over around this particular area. I hope you're getting it right. There are two rules to this particular strategy. Firstly, you must ensure the moving average crosses over, and secondly, you must be able to identify a clear double top or a double bottom in the market. So guys, I'm going to go into the market now, analyze the trade when I see a double top in the market, or when I see where this particular strategy works in the market. Then I'm going to come down and show you, so we can actually enter a trade using this particular strategy. So guys, I've identified an opportunity in the market. As you can see right here, this is the first move in the market, and this is the second move right here in the market, and this is the third move in the market. As I've said the other time, if not for you to get confused, it could be at this particular level, it could be beneath it, it could even be before this particular level. It's still a double bottom or a double top. So what we'll have to do is to wait for the market to actually give us an indication that is going up to form a double bottom in the market. So let's see how the market turns out to be. So as you can see it right here, the market keeps going up right here. Let me zoom it in so you can see the market keeps going up right here. So as you can see vividly, you could see that the moving average crosses over just at this particular level, and this market has actually given us a well befitting way that okay, this market is actually going on an uptrend. So what you have to do to immediately you see this particular move in the market is to take your long position to right here, and you're going to enter a trade just at this particular level. So enter a trade just at this particular level. You're going to put your stop loss just beneath this particular level right here, because the market might actually reverse, and it might not go as planned. So what we just have to do, take profit at the next resistant level. You can see it right here, the next resistant level. We're going to put your take profit right here. This is actually a very good trade to enter. This is 1 ratio 2.54, very good one to enter. So what we just have to do is to just wait to see how the trade plays out. So right here you can see how the trade plays out. It even break this particular level, and it even break the next resistant level, and the market is actually even going. I'm even thinking that the market is even going up to this particular level. So what you're going to see right here, as you can see, as I've explained to you earlier, that this particular strategy really works very well, and it's really simple but very very powerful. It works mostly on gold and other currency pairs, but I've been using it on gold and it works better on 5 minute time frame. I hope you're getting it right. So I'm going to also go into the market again to analyze the market to see how we can be able to identify the other opportunities in the market and how we can actually enter the market for you to see that this particular strategy works all the time in the market. So guys, I've seen another opportunity in the market. As you can see right here, this is actually the first move in the market. See the first move, we have the second move, we have a retest, in the market. So we're actually waiting for the market to actually show us an indication that okay, it's actually reversing or turning as an M or a double top in the market, or the market is actually going up. So anyone the market actually show to us, then we're going to bear our feet. So all we're just waiting for now is for the market to actually give us an indication that it's going on a downtrend, forming an M in the market. And also we also need to see that the market is the moving average is giving us a crossover, indicating that the market is actually going on a downtrend. So what we just have to do is to wait and see how the market plays out. As you can see right here, the market is actually giving us a direction, but we still cannot enter this particular trade until we see our moving average crossing over. I hope you're getting it right. So you can actually see right here the markets keep moving, but we cannot see a clear trend that okay, the moving average is actually crossing over at this particular level. So let's still keep hoping and keep waiting. So right away we can actually see that the moving average is actually crossing over at this particular level. But the question I should ask you is this: when a moving average crosses over at this particular point and you're going to enter a trade, what you're just going to do is that you're going to enter a trade at this particular level, because this is where you see that it's actually actually crosses over. You're going to put your take profit right here. But the question is, where are you going to put your stop loss? Probably you're going to put your stop loss just up right here. I hope you're getting it right. And you can see that the trade is ratio 0.37. So this particular trade does not really worth the risk right here. There are some trades you don't really take because the risk to reward is not really making sense. I hope you're getting it right. So if you are risking this to this, then this is not a very good trade. So guys, whenever you see this kind of trade in the market, you should not take it. Just forget about it. There are more and more opportunities in the market that you can actually grab. So let's see how the trade is definitely going to play it out. You can see right here we smash in our take profit right here, but it doesn't really worth the risk. I hope you're getting it right. It doesn't really worth the risk. So guys, I'm going to go into the chart and identify other opportunities in the market. I'll come down and explain to you how you can actually take those trades and what you should see before you enter the trade. So guys, we find another opportunity in the market right here. This is actually the first move. It actually retraced and it came back to retest. If you can see this particular trend, you can see this is actually an uptrend. It actually came down to consolidate, and this definitely becomes a good M in the market. It actually serves as a reversal of the market even down to this particular level. I hope you're getting it right. Even down to this level, or even down to this particular level. So what we'll have to do is to confirm that this is actually an M in the market, and also confirm that our moving average is actually crossing over, indicating that this is truly an M in the market. So guys, let's see how the market really plays out. So you can see right here where market is actually moving right here, but we have to wait for our moving average to actually cross over before we are certain that okay, this particular trade is actually a short trade for us. You can see it's still going on. You can actually see right here the market actually comes down, and you can see, if you can see it very well, the moving average actually crossed over right here. So when we see this particular trade, what we just have to do is to enter the trade. We're going to put our stop loss, going to enter the trade at this particular level. We're going to put our stop loss above the first M in the market, the initial M in the market. So we're going to take our take profits, the first take profits, based on the fact that this market actually might reverse in the market. We're going to put our first take profit at this particular level, and our second take profit could actually be at this particular level. So what we just have to do is to actually wait and see how the trade is going to play out. I hope you're getting it right. Let's see how the trade is going to play out. So you can see right here, we actually smash in our take profit right here. Smash in our take profit. What makes me to know that this particular market is definitely going to move right here is very simple. Firstly, I discovered that this is actually an uptrend, and it has been going on an uptrend for a while. And secondly, it actually tends to retrace back to this level, and this particular move will serve as a retest to this particular market. And if there is any situation that the market forms an M right here and it's reversing, definitely the market will definitely moves down. If the time does not even take, this market can actually reach this particular level to form a support right here. So I'm going to go into the market again and identify another opportunity in the market. I really want to show you that this strategy really works very well. It is very powerful, and anytime you see it in the market, particularly on gold and any other currency pairs, you should try them out and see how it goes. If you try it out, just ensure you comment in the comment section to let me know how it actually works for you. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market right away and find other opportunities in the market, and when I see it, I'm going to show you what you need to see before you enter a trade. Alright guys, I also find another opportunity in the market right here. As you can see, this is a double top in the market. This is the first move in the market. It's actually retraced and it came back to retest this particular level. So what we just have to do again is to ensure that okay, this particular market is actually going on a downward directions through the confirmation of our moving average. So what we just have to do is to see how the market actually plays out, then we can see how we can actually find opportunity to enter this particular trade. You can see right here, it actually retests this particular level. As you can see, our moving average is actually crossing over, but we're still not certain it has to cross over very well before we can enter the trade. You can see right here, our moving average has actually crossed over effectively, giving us a downtrend direction. What we have to do right here is to come over and take our short position to probably enter a trade at this particular level, and enter a trade just at this level. Put our stop loss at the next resistant level just right here, and we're going to put our take profit at the last support level right here. So guys, let's see how the trade plays out. So guys, we've actually smashed in our take profit right here. So this is a very wonderful strategy that I'm actually showing you guys right here. This strategy works 98% of the time, and you can actually try it out and let me know the results you are actually having. All I just want you to do is when you watch this video, go and try it out, then you come back to the comment section and tell me your experience with this particular strategy. We can try this on a demo account first, and when you are very confident with this particular strategy, you can make use of it, and I promise you're going to actually have a very good winning rate. This is actually one of the strategy I've actually been using, and I've been cashing out in the market every day, especially on gold and GBP USD. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. If you think this video really helps you and you learn one or two in this particular video, do ensure you smash that subscribe button so you miss any of my amazing videos to come, and also do ensure you like this video so YouTube can recommend it for other people. Comment on the comment sections, and also do ensure you share these videos to any of your friends that you think you may actually need this particular video. So guys, I see you again in another video. Keep trading and bye for now.